everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina and I'm a fashion reseller on the Poshmark app. You can find me on Instagram at little.black.hanger. You can also find me on Poshmark at littleblackhanger without the vowels. Today, I asked you guys on Instagram what you wanted to see for today's video. I gave you a choice of me cleaning out my closet or a everyday makeup tutorial, and majority rules you guys chose clean out my closet, which is a good thing because I needed to do it anyway. So this will just give me a little swift kick in the butt to do it. So thank you for keeping me accountable. You guys got my back. I appreciate you. Please excuse my appearance. Actually, no. Do not excuse my appearance. I look like this because I'm about to clean out my closet and because I just woke up. So, no judgment here. I'm gonna put on some Ariana Grande, some Harry Styles, some Shawn Mendes, get a little playlist going, and we're gonna knock this closet out. I know videos like this can inspire you to clean your own closet, so that's my encouragement of the day. Go clean out your closets. Stop hoarding things. Stop hoarding pants like I do. Sell them on Poshmark if they're worthy. If not, donate them. It's fine. You don't need 27,000 pairs of pants.
Christina?
I'm talking to myself. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a haul at the end of this video of things that I decide to put in my Poshmark closet. So stay tuned for that, or skip ahead to it. You're an adult. You make your own decisions. Do what you want. I'm going to put on a playlist. I've got my coffee. Let's just get rocking. Also, for those 25% of you who picked makeup, I am going to be doing an extra video this week. What? That's right, an extra video. It's either going to be tomorrow or Thursday. Probably Thursday, if I'm being honest.
Yeah, let's just count on Thursday.
So Thursday, there's going to be an extra video. I'm going to do a little mini get ready with me, little makeup situation. So if you wanted the makeup, you're going to get it. I deliver. I give the people what they want. Sometimes. All right, let's get started cleaning my closet. Bye. So brief intermission just to explain to you guys what I'm doing. I'm rearranging how my things are in here and taking some things out and putting them elsewhere. Also, this is all clean. I just have to fold it. So that's the mess that we're working with. If you see me like bend down to get something, that's what I'm doing. All my hangers, those are maybes. I'm not sure about those yet, so. Alrighty, she is all clean and organized. If you guys have watched my videos before, you guys know that I had this shelf right here. I had jewelry and sunglasses on it, but I needed a place to put my t-shirts where I could see them and have access to them. When they're in a drawer, it tends to just become a mess really quickly. So this way I can see them and I can know which t-shirt I'm grabbing without having to dig for it in a drawer. So that's where they are. I've got my skirts and dresses back here because I rarely wear skirts or dresses, so that's where they are. I've got my jackets and my scarves. I've got tank tops, short sleeve tops, long sleeve tops, a couple of those, some sweaters, a flannel, and some cardigans back here. Got my shoes down there, my jeans, the 2 pairs of jean shorts that I own, got all my pants and my 1 pair of shorts, and then I've got crew neck sweatshirts and hoodies right there. Up in that box I've got my ball caps, hats, belts. So yeah, that's what it ended up looking like. I'm really glad I did this because I realized that I have no shorts and I live in Florida, so I need to change that. I'm going to buy some shorts for sure. So yeah, that's what she looks like. All organized, more functional. Yes. So I did pull a couple things for Poshmark, so I'm going to show you guys that now. These are a pair of combat boots. They're a little bit more dressy. They're an ankle boot. They've got a little bit of a heel on them, and the toe is kind of squared off. I got them brand new at Goodwill, and I only wore them a couple times. They're very comfortable. They're just not my cup of tea. So they will be in my Poshmark closet. They're a size 8.5 if you are interested. This is just a plain, kind of like mock neck style, black and white striped bodysuit. It's a size large. If you're interested, like new condition, only worn a couple times. These are a pair of like Hawaiian print, wide leg crop pants. I just don't reach for these anymore, so it's time for them to go. Good quality. I got them at a boutique down here. They've only been worn a couple of times. I think they're a size large. They're a size medium. So yeah, like I said, got these at a boutique, worn them a couple times, and I'm over it. So in the Poshmark closet they go. Next is this lavender blazer. You guys have seen this before. I just don't reach for this, and I don't see myself reaching for it. I thought I was going to wear it a lot more than I do. It is a lavender color. It's not picking up on camera. This fits like a medium, could fit a large. Just a cute little lavender blazer. All right, you guys saw this in my favorites haul, and I just don't see myself reaching for this in Florida. And I know somebody can give it a lot better home than me and actually rock it and wear it. So if you are interested in this, I did find the tag. It is a size small. It's 100% silk. Very beautiful piece. She's got the shoulder pads. They are not removable, so just be aware of that. But this is an amazing jacket. If anyone is interested in it, I will get it up for you. Next piece is another piece that was in my favorites video. I like this style is stunning. Unfortunately, they're just a little too tight on me, and I'd rather have some baggier ones. It does say they're a size 26, but I'm a true 26, so they definitely run small, and this part is kind of short, and I'm just not a fan of that. Like, it comes down below my boobs instead of covering. Does that make sense? So just not a huge fan of these on my body type. So they'll be up in my Poshmark closet if you're interested. This is what the back looks like. Vintage Guess overalls. Alright, last piece is this pair of boyfriend jeans. They've got a little distressing on them. Very comfortable. They're a size 4. by L, and because they are boyfriend style, they are a bit baggier, so I would definitely, you know, if you're a size 27, 28, these might fit you a little better. They're just a little too baggy on me. So, boyfriend jeans by L, size 4. I am dying of a heat stroke. I am like hot, so I'm gonna go take a shower. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I definitely enjoyed making it for you because it was something that I've been putting off for a really long time. And it's really good to go through your closet and just get rid of some stuff that isn't serving you anymore so that it can serve someone else. It also makes you take a step back and realize some things that you need. Like, I need some more like blousey kind of tops, maybe some more tank tops, and definitely some shorts. Definitely shorts. I do not need any more pants, any more jeans, or any more jackets, because I have plenty of those. And if I buy one, I need to get rid of one. I need to get on that train. So anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go take a shower. If you like this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up on your way out. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. I put new videos out every Tuesday and Friday. Sometimes I put out extra videos, like this week there will be one on Thursday. So I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye. Let's make a thumbnail real quick with all of this stuff, clean stuff, on the floor. Ugh. Okay, I think that's good enough. How awkward was that?